Good morning, everybody. Quick video today. 3 more questions, part 8 of our 10-part series. What are the most common 30 questions as searched by Google? I don't see how these are really the most common because some of them I wouldn't even think to ask, but hey, it is what it is. So, the first one is, my car is 20 years old. Will insurance still cover it? Yeah. Nationwide doesn't have any problem covering 20-year-old cars. Just to make sure they're still in good condition. May need pictures depending on who you're insured with to make sure they are in good shape. But yeah, you shouldn't have any problem covering a 20-year-old vehicle in North Carolina with Nationwide. I can't speak on all insurance companies. I know some do have different guidelines on that. If you have an old classic or a high-end vehicle, we can do it with Hagerty. Save you some money, and also it's a better coverage. I mean, because you're going to get agreed value. So we'll talk about that in another video. But yes, you can get comp and collision or full coverage in North Carolina with Nationwide. Next is, does my insurance policy cover a rental vehicle? Good question. I get this one a lot. Yes, your insurance policy covers your rental vehicle as if it were your own, meaning it may affect your rates, meaning your same deductibles apply for comprehensive and collision as well. It will not cover the cost of you renting a vehicle if you're going out of town or something of that nature. It will cover that rented vehicle as if it were your own, though. So there's a difference there. And then you should also have rental car coverage, which Nationwide provides. So that way, if their vehicle is in an accident and they are losing rental time, it will cover paying them back for the time they could be renting that vehicle while it's being repaired. If you have just liability, your rental car would have just liability, so you will have to get the rental car coverage to cover that vehicle. That's the exception or the difference in the rule. And lastly today, how long does it take to file a claim? It says file a claim, so that's the initial call. I would say with Nationwide, I usually see 10-15 minutes, call in, give a description of what happened, and then they will review that and then get back with you on deductibles, where to bring your vehicle, etc. How long it takes for the claim to actually be completed, you paid for, your vehicle fixed, can take a day or two if they're just giving you a check or a windshield, up to a few weeks if they're having to do major body repair or bring it to a body shop and things of that nature. If the vehicle's being totaled, meaning they're not going to repair it, just pay you for the full value of the vehicle, not what you owe. Then it may take a couple weeks as well. If you have rental car coverage, you'll be provided a rental car during that time. So there you go. There's a good, nice 3 questions today. We only have 2 more parts to this series, and I'm going to try to get some ideas and hop on something else. So everybody have a good day. Again, if I can help you with anything, feel free to let me know. Thanks.